Earth. We live on the planet Earth. The Earth is the third planet in our solar system. We are so lucky to be living on Earth. Earth has life. No other planet has life. We also have air and water. We can see the atmosphere in this picture. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. And we can see the atmosphere. The atmosphere protects our Earth from the harmful rays of the sun. It also helps to keep the temperature of the Earth steady. The atmosphere consists of two main gases, oxygen and nitrogen. There are also other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, etc., which are present in very small quantities. Three-quarters of the Earth is covered by water, and only 1/4 by land, which consists of soil, sand, and rocks. Melting snow and rain fall down high hills and mountains to form rivers. This is fresh water. A lake is a large body of standing water, which is fresh. A pond is a similar, smaller body of fresh water. These water bodies are found in nature. They are nature, and they're natural. There are man-made lakes and ponds too. These are landforms. We have plains and flatlands, and we have hills and mountains. These are higher than the plains. Mountains are the highest places in the world. This is the peak, the top of the mountain. They are mostly covered with snow. Forests are areas where many trees grow. These trees grow very close to each other. Now we would like you to open up your window on the world. Can you read page 32 to your helper at home? And then, can you answer the questions on page 33? Well done, everybody.